Morning, my name's Ian. I come from Golden Square in Bendigo. I've just completed building a new three-storey home with a garage down in the basement and 2 stories above. And we recently installed an elite elevator and they're very happy with how it operates and nice and quiet and services all floors satisfactorily. The reason why we got this elevator in the first place was the wife had problems getting around a little bit and she's since had a hip replaced, but she may end up with other problems and so might I. So we installed the lift at this stage rather than come back at a later stage and try and have to rejig the whole house to suit putting a lift in. The best advantage of the whole lot is with the underground garages, the wife can pull straight in underneath. The lift is only a matter of a couple of metres away. She's got a little trolley she can take to the back of the car, put all her groceries on and straight up into the kitchen area without a problem. The lift has been situated in a house where it's actually inside, not to the outside of the house. When people look at it from outside, they don't know that there's a lift in the property. It's nice and easy to get to and central. The finish has made it blend into the property. Everything matches and comes together really nice. Building a house the size of this one, it's a long process. Elite, they had to be on site at certain times and they met those time frames and it came together very nicely. If people are looking to install an elevator, I certainly recommend the Elite. It ticked all the interesting points that we found we needed to service this property. And I think with the amount of different models they have and how they look after you, you'd be more than happy with it.